There are a lot of opinions on what adventure motorcycling is, and everyone is entitled to their own opinions. But in my opinion, adventure motorcycling doesn't have to be a big, expensive off-road trip through the wilds of Africa, but instead can be any adventure on a bike, no matter how small, even if it's a trip through your backyard or a weekend camping in the mountains. There are two key words in adventure motorcycling that we have to look at. First is adventure. So whatever you consider an adventure is an adventure. No one else's opinion matters because they're not the one having the experience. The second is motorcycling. Well, what makes a motorcycle? Well, two wheels and a motor. I'm sure there'll be plenty of people on the internet that tell me that I'm wrong. But any bike can be an adventure motorcycle, just depends on how you use it. I have traveled all around the United States, and from the US to Argentina on my motorcycle, and still people tell me I'm not adventure motorcycling. So forget what other people say, and get out on your motorcycle and have an adventure. To be honest, I have more fun on these little trips going camping with friends or exploring the back roads in my local area. I see it a lot in the adventure motorcycle community as well as the overlanding community, that if someone doesn't have the right equipment or isn't going to the extremes enough, they can't be an adventure motorcyclist. So I propose, how about instead of telling someone how they aren't doing it right, we ride our own ride and do what makes us happy. So if you live in the Pacific Northwest and want to go on a small adventure, feel free to hit us up. We're always down to go riding. As well as if you like adventure motorcycling, feel free to check out some of our other content. Hear some of the things that we learned, or see some of the other adventures we've gotten into. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment if you want to share your opinion, or just tell me how I'm wrong. Other than that, have fun out there.